Hi guys, Boris here from Madness Auto Works. We have our brand new Jeep Gladiator here. This is the 3-liter turbo diesel. So today we're going to show you how to install the new MAXPower engine module on this Gladiator. Now if you have a turbo diesel, whether it's a Wrangler or the Gladiator, this is a great way to add about 18 to 20% power in horsepower and torque gains reliably to your Jeep without overstressing any of the factory components, without rewriting any of the factory software and voiding your warranty. So this is a nice, easy plug-and-play module, very well tested, and something we've been offering for quite some time for this particular engine that's also available in several other FCA vehicles. So we have installed this in our Gladiator. We've done some testing, modified some software, and now it's ready for release to the public. So I'm going to get our shop manager, Bill, here to come in, show you how to install this module in our Gladiator. So stay tuned, take a look. This is a great way to add power. And also, the nice part about this module, it is fully reversible. You can put it in and remove it within 1 hour. And again, you're not touching any of the factory built-in presets. You're not messing with any of the factory software that can cause any warranty issues. This is a great, reliable way to add power. Now you'll see with our Gladiator, we have done a number of upgrades. We've added bumpers, winch, fenders, lift kit, wheels, and tires. So this nice performance gain will certainly come in handy. So stay tuned, we're going to show you how to install it, and we'll also do a little video later, show you some of the things we have done on our Gladiator.
Hi, I'm Bill, shop manager, Madness Auto Works, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to put the MAXPower Pro on the Jeep JL JT 3-liter diesel. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is disconnect the negative battery cable. It's a 10 mil. Just loosen it up, pull it up. You can stuff a towel right there to kind of keep it disconnected. And then I'm going to take the engine cover off, which is also 10 millimeter. The MAXPower Pro hooks up to 3 sensors. I will show you where these sensors are, but A is for manifold pressure, okay? It's in the center of the motor on the top. B is for the fuel pressure sensor, which is on the rail. It's also in the center of the motor. And C is for cam position, which is on the right front of the motor. And then we'll hook the positive lead up to the positive side of the battery. Okay, that's A. That's manifold pressure. Okay, is your fuel rail, which is straight down here. Okay, it's got a brown tab on it. It's right here. That would be B. And the third one, which is C, is the cam position sensor. All right, first thing, you want to make sure the motor's cool, because you're going to be almost on top of the motor. There's 2 10 millimeter nuts that hold this wire harness on that covers up the fuel pressure sensor. So you take this harness loose. You're not taking it off, just loose. And so you can move it off of the studs and get it out of your way. And then you'll have clear access to the fuel pressure sensor, okay, which is going to be B on the harness. All right, so you just slip this up gently, slip this off, like so, and you're going to move it back like that. All right, and then you're going to go down to that fuel rail sensor, which is right here. Okay, so what you do is you pry out the little tab, the red tab, and then with the pick you're going to hook and pop it off. And there she is, right there. Okay, that's the fuel pressure sensor. Plug a little bit. What you do is just pop this red thing, and then you push on this right here, just like that, and then just pop it right off. Okay, so this is B down there. That's the fuel pressure. Going after that one first. Just fish this down, and you want to make sure it gets on there and it clicks. It needs to click. Lock into place. Click. There it goes. Nice click. Give it a little pull. Make sure it's nice, tight, locked in place. Then I'll take the other end of B and I'll hook up right here. One side's got a ramp. So the ramp goes where the red lock is. So you'll click it together like that. You'll hear it click, and then you'll slide in your red locking. Okay? All right. And then you kind of tuck it down there away from the anything that's real hot, like the turbo. Now that B's taken care of, We're gonna go after A. You go after, it's right here. It's underneath this black piping right here. So like B, it's the same plug. It's a red locking, and you just push on the center of it. So what you'll do is just slide that red thing back, just like that. Push on it, push it, release it. And there she is. That's A. It's got 4. So you'll go ahead, this will replace this. So we'll go and put this on first. And the lock goes up. There we go, clicks. Give me a nice little tug, make sure it's tight. And then look for the ramp. And match it up to the red. Click, lock. All right, there's 2 out of 3. Kind of tuck it down there where the other one is. Okay, now let's go after C. There she goes. All right, same thing. Push till it clicks. There it goes. Click. Give it a nice little pull. Make sure it's locked. Same thing. Look for the ramp. Okay. All 3 of your sensors are hooked up. We'll start putting the thing back together. So, slip this harness on. And the final connection is a 12 mil. Just slide this battery connector under there. So now with everything hooked up, we can reconnect our negative battery. Okay. As far as mounting your box, I'm probably going to mount it right here. Just zip tie it probably to our winch wire. The other good places is down in here, maybe beside the battery down in there if you want to hide it. And then you can zip tie all this along here and then hide the rest under the engine cover. But we like to display, you know, MAXPower Pro and all that stuff. I'm going to have all this, and I'm just going to, there's a cool little place right here. I'm going to just set her down here on top of the fuse box cover. All right, now that we've got our MAXPower Pro installed, we're going to start it up. We had the battery disconnected. We may need to reset some stuff. Starts up, great. No warning lights, nothing. So that's how you install the MAXPower Pro on the Jeep JL JT with the 3-liter diesel. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please give us a call or an email.